Hi, my name is Dr. Rajesh Shah. I am a director of Life Force, where we treat patients from all across the world. We treat chronic diseases inclusive of hair loss and its related conditions. Today I am going to tell you about three important conditions pertaining to hair loss. 1. Hair loss. 2. Alopecia areata. And 3. Male pattern baldness. In our practice, we observe that there is a lot of confusion and unclarity amongst people and patients who have some form of hair loss or the other, and they unfortunately end up mixing up with these three conditions. It is important for you to understand the role of treatment for all the three conditions so that you know which of these conditions is treatable and which one is not. I will first talk about hair loss. Hair loss is a condition in which one tends to lose excessive amount of hair strands per day. Anything more than 20 or 30 hair strands lost per day may require some attention and investigation. The conditions which are responsible for hair loss are many. Some of them are 1. Underactive thyroid or the thyroid disorder, 2. Stress, 3. Deficiency of vitamins, 4. Other nutritional deficiency, 4 or 5 following any kind of acute illness such as enteric fever or malaria, etc. Now, hair loss per se is very well treatable with most kind of treatments. Homeopathy works extremely well for all kind of cases of hair loss. I will talk about another condition, which is alopecia areata, which is a condition in which there is a patch of hair which is lost. In the sense, there are patches on the scalp or on the face or on the arms and legs where there are no hair. There are hairless patches, and this condition is called alopecia areata. In this condition, you may have one or multiple of spots of hair without hair, and this can be caused due to some autoimmune disease in the background. Alopecia areata is often connected with other autoimmune diseases such as underactive thyroid or diabetes mellitus. With homeopathy and with other therapies, alopecia areata is treatable and curable. With homeopathy, we have found and treated excellent results in a huge number of cases of alopecia areata. Now I will talk about the third condition, which is male pattern baldness. Now this is a form of baldness as it is called commonly. This is very common, more common in males than in females, and it can start at early age when one starts losing hair from the front or from the center or from the sides. Now this male pattern baldness is actually not treatable or not curable with any kind of medication. Yes, you must be seeing a lot of advertisements in the media talking about male pattern baldness and the cure, and patients who have male pattern baldness, they tend to be desperate for the treatment, and they will rush to any of such advertisements and to try out the treatment. Since hair loss and alopecia areata are curable using homeopathy, many people, they will advertise with the photos of hair loss and alopecia areata with the before and after treatment. Unfortunately, the third group of patients who have male pattern baldness, they end up misunderstanding that these photos are suggestive of the cure for male pattern baldness, which actually is not true. So as a result, male pattern baldness patients, they end up trying medications which actually do not work. So at Life Force, we are very clear about what is curable, what is not curable, what is treatable, what is not treatable, and we would like to give this educational message to patients who are suffering from one of the three conditions, that is hair loss, alopecia areata, or male pattern baldness. If you have questions, anything pertaining to hair loss or any other chronic disease, feel free to ask a question to me by visiting askdrshah.com. Thank you so much.